Wahwaman takay kile mitakulu. Okay, for today's video mga guys ay meron man akong babasahin and ito po yun sa Nomahoidan. It's for B1 Finnish language for Filipino nurses. So, i-exercise ko lang ang aking mga dila at ang aking reading and speaking. Okay? So, we have number ito po yun sa kung gusto nyong sundan ako, kung meron kayong mga libro, so just turn your book into Unit 22, Inomahoidan, and Exercise 14. So, keryoita suamikse kauta yoka pronominia. Write and finish, use the relative pronoun yoka in the right form. Okay, number 1, we have, I have a resident who is really nice. So, in Finnish, it's mulaon asukas yoka tosi keva. Next is, number 2, I have a patient whom I like. It's mulaon potilas yosta matukan. Okay, number 3, I have a workmate whom I don't like. Mola on tu kavere yusta maentuka. Okay? Number 4 is I work in a nursing home with 30 residents. Okay? Maon toisa tai. Maon tuskentilin hoiva kodesa yossa on kolme kumenta asukasta. Next is, don't leave alone a resident that has serious illness. Alayata uksin asukasta yulaon vakaba sauraus. Okay? Number 6 is, would you like some green tea that is from Japan? It's haluay sitko sa vihriya teita yukaon yapanilaista. Okay, next is number 7. Do you like the new shirt that I bought at the flea market? Tukat ko sa sita udasta paidasta yon ka maostin kerpo turelta. Okay? Next is number 8. Tell me a joke that's really good. Kero muli vitsi yoka on tusi huva. Okay, kitos kung katsit naran pian. Okay, thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Moi moi!